Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to recycle or upcycle some old packaging. So I had some Pierre Rocher, I'm saying that right, chocolates that came in here last Valentine's Day. I took this sticker off and I saved the plastic container knowing that I would be able to reuse it someday. And so how I'm going to reuse it is just by filling this bottom part with some fun bits, sparkles and sequins and hearts and things. So just gonna put this in here, and then I've already pre-decorated my top. This is going to be a Valentine swap, so I just took one of these holographic doilies and I cut out a heart with this die, and then I layered on, so there's the heart, I layered on this feather, this die cut, I add these handmade flowers, I put the number 4 because it's going to be the 4th gift in the series, and then I can just glue this to the top of my container so that it'll look like that. So let's go ahead and add that glue now. I think maybe I'll put the glue on here because I want to make sure to cover up the part that had the glue where the sticker was previously. There you go there. Make sure that's all covered up. And then I can just put this down nicely centered there. Hold that for a second. So, ooh, that was pretty hot. So this has actually gone and warped to the other side. That's interesting. But my solution had been always, I had planned to come in and finish the back just by putting another doily off. So you weren't seeing this messy white part. I really didn't think it would bubble, but it's really bubbled the sticker quite a lot. And it's making me think maybe for this one, perhaps I should use a different kind of glue. Let's come in and try glue dots because they stick really well, but the paper shouldn't buckle. Let's try this and see how that's going to look. So we'll line it up. It's pretty decent. There. Yeah, that should hold. There it holds, and then it finishes off that back so it doesn't look too bad. And maybe we could even put a heart or something in there. I certainly have enough things that I could easily just add something simple. In the center there. It's funny when these stickers get older, they kind of don't come up as well. I've had these stickers for a couple of years now, and they stick pretty good. See there? That'll just be a nice little touch. Very simple on the inside. Not taking away from it. So then you can put any embellishment in here, and just for example's sake, I will put these cute little shopping bags that I have previously made. So you just tuck in your little shredded paper here, so we don't have anything sticking out. And so then the presentation is going to look like that. And you just go ahead and seal it in. That's simple. So it looks cute all the way around. And now we have just recycled an old chocolate package for some heart-shaped Happy Mail for one of my Valentine's Day swaps. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested, I do have those, a tutorial on those little shopping bags in there. If you want to see how those are made, hit the like and subscribe button if you're interested in seeing more crafty videos from me. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.